how are you? This is Eddie from ScTech Gadgets. This is a new YouTube channel, as you can see, guys, so please kindly support a brother and hit subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be the first ones to see. So first things first, what is ScTech Gadgets all about? Well, this channel is based on reviews, gadget reviews, from laptops to phones, Android and iOS phones. We also do reviews of old phones and latest phones. We'll also do reviews of applications. If you guys want me to try out some applications or softwares, try them out for you and give you feedback, I'll be available to do that. And I also deal with operating systems, help with operating systems. Maybe you want to install Ubuntu or Kali Linux or Mac operating system or Windows 7 or 8 or Windows XP. Whatever you guys are looking for, I will be here to help you out with all those things. The other thing that we'll do is unboxing new gadgets. As you can see right in front of you is a Galaxy A30s. This gadget was released last year, 2019, around August, so it's a little bit a year old plus, but I'm going to unbox it. It's new, as you can see. It's never opened, sealed. Yes, it's sealed and everything. So you guys, if you want a review on this gadget, I'll be happy to do so. I will show you guys how this gadget works. We'll unbox it, see what's inside and everything, the functions. We'll do that together, and you guys will be watching in case you are planning to buy a new gadget, probably this festive season or next month or next year. We don't know, but yeah, I'll be doing that with you guys. If you have any suggestions or anything that you want to pass, you can do that in the comment section. You can tell me what you wish to see me doing, a review that you would like to see on my channel. I'll be able to do that for you. Right now, as you can see, I also have this gadget with me. This is an old iPod Touch 5th generation. It's almost 5 years old or more. Still works. It turns on, as you can see, it works. There is the date and time of my recording there. So yeah, I'll be able to do reviews on based on that. Also, I also have with me a Huawei P8 Lite. This is my old phone. It's a P8 Lite, still functions, still works. Yep, that's me right there. So I'll also be able to do reviews on that. I also have another gadget with me, and it's a Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Yeah, Note 2, quite an old gadget too. Very good gadget, but this one doesn't have the charging system, and the screen needs to be replaced. So I'm going to do that for you guys. I'll replace the charging system. I'll probably show you how to replace the charging system of a Galaxy Note, and also how to replace the screen of a Galaxy Note, and we'll do a review when the phone is up and working. So as I said, I also have another gadget with me here. This is a Microlab T1 Bluetooth headset. This is an old gadget. As you can see, it's worn out. Yeah, you can see it's worn out. It's probably 2 years old. Yes, I bought it in 2018 August, and I was a little bit careless with it. Otherwise, it was supposed to be alive by now. Still works though, but then it's worn out. As you can see, there's a lot of rubber and whatever that's going. This is our African way of dealing with our gadgets. This is our CPR. We don't want them to die, so they are still working. I also do a review, a sound and function review of this gadget. For those who want to buy headsets, Bluetooth headsets, I'll give you tips on how to choose and what's the best option you have. At the back, you can see there is a laptop. It's a Core i5 8GB RAM Lenovo laptop, Core i5 5th generation. I will show you guys around what's going on with this laptop. I use it for 3D modeling. I model stuff in 3D using an application, a software called Blender. Maybe one day I'll show you guys how that works, but I'll also do a review on the laptop. So this is my new channel. I'm from Africa, guys. I'm African. I'm in Africa. I'm in South Africa, to be exact. and I'll be able to help my African brothers and sisters with all the tech that they want. I've noticed that whenever I wanted to look at solutions which is to do with tech, every time I try to do that here in SA on YouTube, I would find that most of the guys talking about these things are people from the States or Europe. So they give us the solutions. Yeah, they do give us solutions, but the application is not always on point because we are African, and most of the things that they talk about, paying in US dollars and having credit cards and all, I won't have all those things. I'll give you advice on what to do whenever you want to buy stuff, or what are the best options if you don't need to buy something but you need work to be done. I'll show you softwares, free softwares for things that you could have paid for but get them for free. I'll show you all those tweaks on phones and laptops, and how to make a laptop more faster and everything, how to install Windows and all those things. As you can see guys, it's a whole bunch of a lot of things, but I'll be here to do all those things. So since this is your first time, yes, this is everyone's first time being here, please hit subscribe, share, and also your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to see it. Thank you for watching guys.